this road, and we're not looking back, we're just looking ahead. I could see.
Hello my friends, it is the first of the month and I am so excited to share this next set with you because I've had a couple requests for some sets similar to this, and I've always had this kind of in the back of my mind, so I'm very excited to share this one with you. But first, let me tell you, it has 25 stamps, including one border that's very versatile. And it is, of course, made in the USA, like all of our stamps are. We are proudly making our stamps in the USA. Yay! So we got to keep everything here, right? So I'm very excited to share it with you. Are you ready? It is called Summer for Fun. And again, 25 stamps. And here it is. I'm so excited. Let's see. It says, have a ball. And those are two different stamps, so you can do them different ways, of course. Sunny day. You are my sunshine. All different stamps. So you can say, you know, you are my sunshine, or have a sunny day, or have a ball, because look, 2 beach balls right there. Now, you know me, I always take up all the real estate on this 4x6 sheet. So in the middle of the sun, I just heard Cookie bark. In the middle of the sun, there is a beach ball. So you have 2 stamps. Now, normally a regular stamp company, a normal stamp company would have the beach ball somewhere else or not give you that beach ball because they would make that solid. But no, I want to make sure I take up all the space on this sheet. So boom, I put a beach ball right there. Then there's a sand castle over here, lots of little tiny fishies, this cute border of the ocean or a lake or the sea or anything you want. But I have a trick to show you on that one in just a second. A cute little shovel, a big surfboard, a mini surfboard, surfs up. Oh, and then I love this part. The sandals, see the sandals, so the left and the right foot. But then also this little piece right here is so you can stamp it on top of it in a different color, because sandals are different colors sometimes. So 2-step stamping, you know, those are my favorites. And then actually another beach ball. So there's 3 beach balls. So when you say have a ball, perfect, you know, you add those beach balls. Let me show you a couple little samples with this set. I'm so excited about them. Here's one I created. And I actually, yes, I do color once in a while. So I colored in my surfboard. I added the sun. Now here's a quick tip. This sun, the center of the sun, if you use the solid circle from our Back to Basics set, that solid circle stamps right in the center of that sun, so you don't have to color it in if you don't want to. And I stamped it a couple different ways. I did it in black, then I did it in gray, then I did some yellows, and I kind of rotated it each time, so I got a good look. Then I said surfs up, and then notice this sand. I used the ultra fine flower soft sand color, of course, and I added that at the bottom. But you'll notice how I have my cute little sand is kind of like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Well, remember that ocean border? If you turn it upside down and you manipulate it on your block, you can make it a sand stamp. So sand or water stamp. Perfect. So it's 2 uses. Isn't that great? So there I just made it a sand stamp. And then over here I used the little birds from the Kites to Fly set. So boom. Isn't that a cute card? I love it. Now another card that I created really, really quick is Have a Ball. And I just colored 3 balls and I punched them out with my punch. I used the 1¼ inch punch and I punched it out so I'd have a little bit of a border all the way around. And I just put them on there, and then I stamped Have a Ball, added some stripes. Boom! Quick, fast, easy card. So this is a great set. Have some fun with it. It's not just a summer set. It's just an everyday set, actually. It has so much on it. It has so much going on. You will have tons of fun. Make sure you upload your creations to our gallery because I want to see what you create. I'll see you again soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Tell me you're it's dark, but the sky has never seemed so bright. Come and save me from this field of uncertainty. So tell me